Good day. In this video, we have a look at the Wagyu search facility. So you have to be on the Wagyu website, which is wagyu.org.au. Then once you're on our homepage, you'll see that at the right top there are several links, and one of them are the search link. So you can see in there's animal search. There's also membership search and website search. The website search actually search the content of the wagyu.org.au website, and these other two are searches that can be done on our database. Other ones also are the member login, and then there's also auctions and sales, where you can look up sale catalogs that is published by the association. Also semen and embryo catalogs, where there's semen straws made available by members of Wagyu cattle, and then at this stage there's also the Elite Wagyu sale. That is an advertisement for it right here in front of us on the 30th of April this year. Now we're going to just click on the animal search to get us going. As soon as you click on that, there's a disclaimer that you need to read and to understand what the EBVs and all of the other information contained in the database search are about. And you have to understand the terms and conditions of the use of that information. Once you click on the I accept button, it'll take you to that area. You'll immediately see that there's several links at the top, and that can take you into different areas on the search facility. We will mainly step through that quickly, and future videos we can also focus a bit more on the individual links. In this case, just to start us off, if you click on the home link here, that will take you back to the Australian Wagyu homepage. The animal inquiry is more a general animal inquiry, so you can from there physically search for a lot more specific detail on a specific animal or a group of animals. The EBV inquiry is more about specific EBVs, and you can really put thresholds on different EBVs. And once you've set those thresholds, what it will do then is it will actually screen out animals that doesn't fall within the thresholds that you've put. Mating predictor is an area there that has been developed to help members work out the mid-parent EBVs of a mating. So in that case, if you put in a sire and a dam, it will actually calculate what the expected average EBVs for the calves would be. Member inquiry is a link that will help you to search for members, and there's a range of criteria that you can use to identify members in certain areas, etc. Sale catalogs is upcoming sales, and members can advertise their sales in this area. They just let us know, and we can publish and create sale catalogs for them. Semen and embryo catalogs are lists of animals that have semen available, or even embryos. So if you click on the semen and embryo catalog link, it'll take you and show you animals that are in semen catalogs. A member can put a semen catalog up if they have semen straws for sale, and other members can therefore find that information. If you've also created a semen and embryo catalogue, those animals that are listed in the semen catalogues can be found specifically through some of the other searches as well, so that makes it available for those searches. The download files is a member only area, so a member login area that only members have access to. And in that case, if you put in your member login details, you can log in and you can look at files created specifically for you. There's quite a bit of transactional information in there, where if you do a DNA test request, that information will show up there and you will be able to see the acknowledgement letter. Online transactions is an area that has been developed to help members also register animals by filling in information online. That area is not as functional as we would like, and at the moment we are not looking at developing that further, as we are in the process already of changing over to IR Online, which will make that a lot better. So we are creating a Wagyu specific area where members will virtually use the same software as what we are using in the office to register animals, and which will make it a lot easier for you as member to input information and supply that to us to register animals. Tag orders have been developed to order Wagyu specific tags from Allflex. Since the development of that, the process has changed where Allflex have made it a lot easier for members to order from anywhere in the country Wagyu specific TSU tags. So if you are interested in any of those, you can contact your local Allflex rep, and they will then be able to supply you the information of how to do that. Otherwise, just contact the association and we will help you. But please don't use the online tag order anymore. Well, thank you, and there will be subsequent videos looking at the individual areas in more detail and to step you through how to use them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to show you more videos shortly.